Sir, you are in mute. Sir, you are in mute. Sir, you are in mute, sir. Sir, you are in mute. We can't hear you.
Sorry.
Sir,
In the last class, we were discussing about areas of the shapes which are drawn on the graph. When a diagram is drawn on the graph, full box indicates one square unit. Count the number of full boxes. If there is exactly half box, two half boxes should be taken as one box. If more than half is there, that is to be considered as full box. Less than half, you have to neglect it. We did many questions. This was the left out in the last class. Please go through it and find the area. Total, how many boxes are there? Easy to count, I think. What is the area? Count full boxes, then half boxes.
sir, 22, sir.
Sir, 22.
22 full boxes. 22 full boxes. What about half boxes?
22, sir.
Sir, 22 full boxes and 4 half boxes. So, sir,
Yeah.
total is equals to 24 square centimeters.
Yes, 24 is the right answer. You have 22 full boxes. 22 full boxes. 4 exactly half.
24.
4 half. 2 halves will become 1. That means 22 plus 2. 24 square centimeter. That is the answer. Instead of counting everything directly, you count full boxes, then half boxes, then give the answer. So that you should not commit mistakes.
Sir, should we write this?
Yes, next question. How many tiles of this design can fit in the whole design?
Sir, should we, how can we do this, sir? Sir, I mean, should we write the whole question?
Don't write the question, just answer to me. This anyhow I will share after the class, so you can do that. There is one design mentioned. What you can say about the area of the design?
Three square centimeters.
This is one full
So that
square.
and the sides are exactly half. So
This is,
two
listen.
one.
This is a triangle, 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 triangle. But if you look carefully, two triangles will make a square. This is a triangle.
So that's what I said.
Okay. Now one more triangle. These two triangles, if you add, it will become one full square. So one square, these two will make one square. These two will make one square.
Centimeters.
So 3 squares. So area will be 3 square centimeter. Area will be 3 square centimeters. Now look at the design. How many such tiles can be kept?
Sir, I didn't understand this question.
Over, sir.
The question is, there is one design given now. In the design, how many tiles of the shape, triangle shape can be fit? What is the area of the design? See, area of the design 3 square centimeter. You got the answer. Up to this is okay. Up to this, are you convinced?
Yes, sir.
Now, how many triangles can be fit in this design? Already 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles already there. And this square also can be divided into 2 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, how many triangles will fit in this?
Oh, now I understood, sir. 6 triangles.
Yes. That's why I told you to wait. I will explain.
Thank you.
When square area is 1 unit, triangle area will be half unit. So dividing 3 with half, that is the solution I gave there. But instead of that, this is very easy. In the diagram, you can find 6 triangles. Total area of the design is 3 square units. Total 6 triangles will fit in the white design. Okay, the solution what I already gave on the board, that is better for you. It's a very simple words, simple solution I have given.
Over.
Over, sir.
Over, sir.
The previous one is the homework I am giving. You are supposed to make your own designs with 4 or 6 boxes is possible, which already we did. Look at this. Length and breadth are given. What is the perimeter and what is the area? Length and breadth are given. What is the perimeter? What is the area?
Sir, we have to write this.
You are supposed to use the formula. If you remember the formula, fine. Otherwise, let me write the formula here. Rectangle. What is area? Length into breadth.
Sir, should we write this?
2 into L plus B. This you already know. Square. Area. Side into side. Perimeter. 4 into side. All we know very well. First question. Length is 10 centimeters. Width or breadth 8 centimeters. What is the perimeter? And what is the area? Use the formula. Please do it and let me know the answer.
Sir, should we write this?
Yes, you have to write.
Sir, perimeter is 36, sir.
Not getting your voice.
The perimeter is 31, sir. 36. 36. Over, sir. The perimeter is 36, sir. 36.
So what is the perimeter? 2 into
36,
10
sir.
plus 8,
36, sir.
36 centimeters. 10 into 8, 80 square centimeter, centimeter square.
Sir, area is 80, sir.
Area is 80.
Yes, sir.
Area is 80.
Sir, sir, first one answer is 80.
Hmm?
First one answer is 80, sir. 80 centimeters.
80 centimeter square. Area is always in centimeter square. Next. Length is given as 11 centimeters. Breadth is not known, but perimeter is given. Perimeter 2 into L plus B is given as 44. Then what is L plus B? 2 into is there. 2 times is 44. So only L plus B will become 44 divided by 2. This 2 I am dividing. So L plus B will be 22. When L plus B is 22, then only double will become 44. Double is there. What is L plus B? Where L is 11. 11 plus B is 22. So what is B? 11 plus something is giving 22. So B has to be 11 only. 11 plus 11 will become 22. So length is 11, breadth is 11. So what is area? 11 into 11.
Over, sir.
Sir, answer is 120. Sir, answer is 221.
121. 121.
121.
11 into 11 you have done, no?
21.
In fact, you know, there is a shortcut to multiply 11. How many of you know?
Sir, I know, sir. You can just increase the numbers or something. Sir, there's a trick to multiply 11 into 11, sir.
Not only 11 into 11, any number into 11.
Yes, sir. Just the number itself. So, like 2 into 11 is equals to 22. 11 on the 11, 11 to the 22, 11 to the 32, sir. Like that.
Twenty-two into 11, 43 into 11, 72 into 11, 36 into 11. You know the method, shortcut. It will be useful to you whenever you want to multiply with 11. Try to remember the shortcut. 23 into 11, no? 23. So write 2, 3, 2 plus 3, 5. That is the answer. 2, 3, 2 plus 1. What is 43 into 11? 4, 3, 4 plus 3, 7. That's the answer. Now what about 72 into 11? What is the answer?
792.
Yes. What about 36 into 11? 36.
396.
36. Just write the same number in between the total. 11 means 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So this is easy trick to multiply with 11. But what will be the answer? Can you guess? What will be the answer?
No.
924, sir.
8 plus 4, 12. In between, we are supposed to take only single digit, not 2 digits. Here all we got single digit. When you get double digit,
924.
wait, when you get double digit, you have to 8 plus 4, 12. You have to take like this.
Carry.
1, 2.
Carry.
You have to carry like this. 76 into 11.
Yes, sir.
7, 6. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 like this.
836.
836. This is how you have to do.
Sir, can you share the screen?
This screen you want me to share?
Sir, the card one. Whose card? Sir, whose card's length, width, perimeter, area?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now let us move to the next question.
Simple dimple. Sir?
Yeah.
That one is.
Length we have to find, area is given. Length into breadth is 80. Length into 8 is 80. Basic thing. Something to be multiplied to 8 to give 80. So what is L? 10, 8, 80.
Length, sir.
10, 8, 80. So length will be 10.
Oh, sir.
This all you can easily do by guessing.
That's
Next one. Kabir making a greeting card with area 100, perimeter is 40. It is a square card, no need to mention here. It is a square card. Kabir using a square card. In bracket, you can write square card. 4 into side is 40. Side into side is 100. Perimeter is given. Area is given. 4 into side 40. So what should be the side? Both length and breadth are equal. If you want, you can check here. 10 into 10 only gives 100. Area and boundary problems are very important. We are going to again do this in the next year also.
hey. Oh my. Over, sir.
Look at the next question. Take a thick paper sheet of length 14 centimeters, width 9 centimeters. Length 14, width 9. If you want, you can use old postcard also. Old postcard is also of length 14 and width 9. Postcard is available in the post office. If you have the time, you can buy it. Otherwise, you can prepare, you can take a paper, thick paper, not normal A4 paper. Take a thick paper like chart paper, length 14 and width 9. Length 14, width 9. Then what is the area and perimeter? What is the area and perimeter? Length 14, width 9. Perimeter and area. Calculate perimeter and area.
$47 is the perimeter.
47. No, not possible. 47 is impossible.
126, sir. 126, sir.
Two into 14 plus 9.
So 46.
46. So area and length we got. Then he is asking to do some activity. What is this activity? I will explain. You can do later. Now cut the postcard into strips of equal size. Join all the strips end to end and try to make a belt. What is the length of the belt? What is the perimeter? Look at this postcard. 14 centimeters and 9 centimeters. Area 126. Area.
Sir,
126.
while sticking the postcard, sir, then our belt will become smaller and smaller, sir.
Let us see. Let us see. So area and perimeter both I mentioned here. Now, see. If we cut this with 1 centimeter width, if you cut this 1 centimeter width, total 9 strips you will get. Total 9 strips. It is 9 and this is 14. So it is 9 means when you make 1, 1, 1, 1 like this, you will get 9. 9 strips you will get. 9 strips. Concentrate here. When you cut the postcard with 1 centimeter width, you will get total 9 strips. You will get total 9 strips. Okay. This is 114. 114. 114. So what is the area of this? What is the area of this? 1 into 14, that is 14 only.
Area is 126, sir.
So if you join all these, you will get 126. Area will be the same. Area will not change. And what is the perimeter of the belt?
Perimeter of the belt, sir.
Yeah, perimeter of the belt.
46, sir. 46, sir.
No. You are
Sir,
not
I didn't
getting my point.
understand. Sir, I also also don't understand this.
Hey, this is one strip. This is another strip. Another strip. Another strip. This is 1, 14, 14, 14. Like this. 9 strips.
Mute yourself.
9 strips. Total 9 strips.
Vaishnavi, mute yourself.
Total 9 strips are there. Total 9 strips. 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. So 14 into 9, that 126.
126, sir.
So the total length is 126, but width is 1 only. One centimeter width strips are made, 9 strips are made. If 9 are joined one after the other, total length will become 9 into 14, 126 length, and width is 1. So perimeter of the belt will be 2 into L plus B, 2 into 1 plus 126. That is 254. Area will not change. Area will be same. Area will be same. So what is the perimeter of the belt? What is the area of the belt? Area is length into breadth. 1 into 40, sorry, 1 into length into breadth. 1 into 126, that is 126 square
Sir,
centimeter.
126 is the answer. 126 is the answer, sir.
126 is the area. Perimeter is 254. Belt, 9 strips are added like this. 9 strips are added like this. Nine strips are added. Each 14. Each 14. Each 14. Length of belt 126 centimeters. Length of belt 126. Breadth is 1.
Sir,
So,
I did not understand perimeter one, sir. Perimeter.
Perimeter. See.
How did the 254 came, sir?
Yes. Listen carefully. This is the paper. Listen. Paper was cut into 9 pieces of 1 centimeter width. 9 is the total width. So 1 centimeter if I make, I will get total
9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 I will get. So 9 are placed side by side, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are placed. Width is 1. First strip, length 14. Next strip 14. Next strip 14. Next strip 14. So like 9 14s are added. So 9 into 14, 126 is the length of the total belt. 126 length of the total belt. So there is a belt. There is a lengthy belt with 126 centimeter length, 1 centimeter width. So L is 1, B is 1, L is 126. 126 length, breadth is 1. So perimeter will be 2 into L plus B. 2 into 1 plus 126. That is 254. 127 into 2. This 254 is the perimeter of the belt, which is very lengthy.
Sir, over, sir. Abhinav, unmute yourself.
Now 1 centimeter is done. No, you can ask your friends to go for other width also. Instead of 1 centimeter, you can go for 3 centimeters, 1.5 centimeters. Instead of horizontal cut, You can go for vertical cut also. You can go for vertical cut. Instead of like this is a sheet. You can make parts like this. Like 14 strips you will get if you make 1, 1, 1. You can add them. So it's like an activity you can do. One type of belt I have shown here. This is one activity. This is there in our textbook. This is our old campus school uniform.
Yes, sir.
You can see postcard is very small, but the whole in the when there is a small postcard, you can cut the postcard such that you can put your hand, you can put your head, whole body you can put in the postcard.
I know, sir. I tried to do it, but I didn't get it, sir. It was a bit.
Yeah, it is.
Sir, I
You have to
don't
do
answer.
carefully. Generally, it looks impossible when you listen. A small postcard can be cut so that you can wear it. It looks impossible, but it is possible if you do carefully. How to do this as an activity I'm explaining here, you can try afterwards. See, this is the postcard where you had to cut as shown in the figure. I will share this afterwards. You can try. It's a very delicate thing. You have to do with a lot of care.
Sir, I
Otherwise,
tried to, do it, but it was a bit. It got wrong.
yes, it will be. So that's why you have to do carefully.
Sir.
Cut the postcard like this. Then you can see a gap in between, which you can wear easily. This. If we cut as per this, then it is possible.
Abhinav, unmute yourself.
Okay, so this activity you can try later. Now, let me give some questions. This is I'm giving homework. Please complete the table.
5 centimeter.
Vaishnavi Mudiraj, mute yourself.
So rectangle is given, square is given, length and breadth are given. Use the formula, get perimeter and area. Here square, side is given. Find the perimeter and area. Here area is given, you have to guess the side and perimeter. Here perimeter is given, find the side and area.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So this is the homework I'm giving. Please do it at home. Copy this question and try at home. Please keep sending the holiday homework and class homeworks regularly. I'm not getting, only 10 to 12 students are doing it, not the others. Please copy this table. That's all for today's class. The next class.
Over, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Then, sir. Over, sir.
Done, sir.
Shudhata, unmute yourself.
Mute yourself, Vaishnavi.
He is not there. Abhinav, unmute yourself.
Okay, done with the class. Copy this and you can leave.
I am unmute only.
Sir, I am done. Can I leave?
Yeah, you can leave. Class is done.
Sir, I am done.
Thank you,
Can I
sir.
Okay,
leave?
you can leave. You can leave. Class is over. Those who
Bye,
completed,
sir.
they can leave. I am still there so that students can copy this homework.
Okay, sir.
Repeat the question. Harshini, taken?